TaskRay is a post-sale work management solution that enables teams to deliver consistent, collaborative, and high-quality experiences for customers once a deal is closed, all within Salesforce. Leverage TaskRay's customizable templates to create reusable project plans that standardize complex processes at scale. TaskRay automates manual processes to save time and improve consistency, such as kicking off new projects when a deal is marked closed won. Provide users with the flexibility to customize how they view and manage their projects by switching between multiple layouts, such as the My Work view, which highlights top action items. The Kanban view is ideal for organizing tasks by status to increase productivity and promote team collaboration. With the Plan view, users can adjust project schedules, see how missed deadlines impact project timelines, reassign tasks, and track dependencies. Streamline external collaboration with public dashboards that increase visibility and external ownership to assign and notify customers of tasks. Robust reporting and progress snapshots make it easy to measure project performance, identify potential bottlenecks, and optimize processes. Improve efficiency, enhance visibility, and create consistency for your teams and customers with TaskRay.